About 68% of deaths worldwide in 2012 was caused by non-communicable disease or NCDs. One of the most common NCDs in Indonesia is diabetes mellitus. In 1995, there were over 5 million diabetes sufferers in Indonesia, and by 2025, it is estimated that it will increase to 12 million people. The diabetic ulcer is the most common complication of the disease with the presence of pygonic bacteria Staphylococcus aureus. One of the plants used as traditional medicine is the Kirinyuh or Cromolena odorata. The flavonoids and saponins compounds of this plant have an antibacterial effect. Cromolena odorata has been applied to humans to treat ulcers. The purpose of this study was to determine the ability of Kirinyuh leaf extract to inhibit the growth of Staphylococcus aureus by testing its antibacterial activity using the diffusion method. Experimental method. The first, material used. The material were used in this study include MHA, Na, blank paper disc, filter paper, isolate bacterial, ciprofloxacin, seronin NaCl and aqueous, ethanol 96 and Kirinyuh leaf extract.
Cromolena odoratalis were crushed to reduce the size, then macerated using 1000 milliliter of 96% ethanol solvent for 3 days at room temperature, and stirred every day. The macerated sample were filtered to obtain a liquid extract. Then, the liquid extract was evaporated using a water bath to produce Cromolena odorata viscous extract. Coccus aureus was taken using a sterile loop needle, then implanted on oblique and a media through trachea. The media were incubated 57 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. The bacterial inhibitory test was carried using the diffusion disc method.
Based on table, the potential inhibition Cromolena odorata leaf extract on Staphylococcus aureus at the concentration on 10%, 15% and control positive at 40 mm, 970 mm and 31.6 mm. This was that Cromolena odorata leaf extract has antibacterial activity and can inhibit the growth of Staphylococcus aureus bacteria. Kirinyuh leaf extract, Cromolena odorata, is able to inhibit the growth of Staphylococcus aureus bacteria at a concentration of 10% per 0 mm. It has a weak antibacterial strength, while at a concentration of 15%, 970 mm, and has a moderate antibacterial strength.